Hey guys, it's Spencer from My Tennessee Home Solution. We buy houses just like this all over the Middle Tennessee area in any circumstance. Right now we're here in South Clarksville, but we buy stuff everywhere. So if you're in about an hour and a half bubble in Nashville, we'd love to talk. In that same vein, we buy houses as is regardless of the condition, whether that's a financial difficulty, even a foreclosure. What we can do is we'll step in, we can talk with you, make sure we're a good fit, find a good way forward together, but we'll also talk to the mortgage company, the bank, whatever we can do to help make this easier for you. In the past, we've been able to stop foreclosures, we've been able to stop short sales and make sure that homeowners get a fair cash price for their property that makes sense for them. Every situation is different and we understand that, but at the end of the day, we're here to provide you a service. So at the end of the day, we can buy this house as is and get to work with our internal crews. But these repairs, this kind of work is not something you should ever have to worry about. Focus on yourself and the family in making that transition to a fresh start, a new adventure, and we're always happy to be helpful in that process. Whatever we can do, we're here for y'all. Once again, it's Spencer from My Tennessee Home Solution. Questions, comments, concerns, reach out, give us a call, fill out our form online. We'll have a quick conversation, and then it's off to the races. Have a great one.